use what you have, because the truth is you might not need to have all the mics and the fancy stuff. I'm just at the point now, and I've been doing this for years, where I've just turned this bedroom into a little video studio. It's still a mess. I mean, it's not finished. We have all this stuff in the back that needs to be filed away and whatever, but I'm building it. And only now, and I've been at it for years, am I at the point where I'm like, yeah, I'm going to have my own dedicated space and it's time to pull this together and up level it. But for the longest time, I was using my phone and I was perched at the kitchen counter and really built my business at the kitchen counter. So it's not about that. It's really more about, what are you sharing? What kind of value, what kind of goodwill are you putting into the world through your videos? What are you sharing? How are you helping? How are you being of service? Because people don't really care. I mean, you can, I think, add some professional appearance to your videos. My recommendation would be to put your energy into making the envelope of the videos the professional part. So for example, the captions, the branding around the video. So let's say you have like this type of format of a horizontal video, which would be appropriate to put on YouTube, for example. If I wanted to take this video and I wanted to put it on IGTV, well, we know that IGTV is a vertical platform. So what do? I have to take this and I've got to put it into a vertical envelope. And there might be some branding opportunity there. Maybe I put a headline, turn it into a video meme, have some captions, logo, that sort of thing, colors. That's where I would recommend that you put your energy and effort to making it look professional. The video itself, in fact, like the actual video file, it doesn't have to reach broadcast quality in order for it to be meaningful or helpful to your ideal audience.